Hello, this is Richard Oki from Debaru, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update your time zones in Zeropark's traffic network. So right now I'm not actually in Zeropark, I'm in Big Bang Ads, and the reason for that is because you need to make sure that your affiliate network, your traffic network, and your tracker all have the same time zones. Otherwise, you will get some discrepancies in your data. So it's very, very important that you ensure everything is synced up. So right now, in Big Bang Ads, I know that the time zone that's set up here is the Central European time zone. So I need to make sure that everything is synced up with Zeropark. Otherwise, I will see conversions inside of Big Bang Ads, and I may see less conversions inside of Zeropark, depending on the time zone, or vice versa. And that can cause a lot of confusion, a lot of headaches. And if you're a fairly new affiliate, a beginner affiliate, it may cause you to make unnecessary changes to your setup, even though all you need to do is change your time zone. You may start thinking that you've essentially fucked something up, and you probably haven't. And it's as simple as just changing your time zone and getting that part sorted. So it's very, very, very important that you get that synced up so that all of your data matches together and that, everything is very clean and straightforward. So inside of my affiliate network, I am unable to change the time zone. So what I need to do is I need to make sure that my other traffic networks are synced up with my affiliate network's time zone, because I run 90% of my traffic through 1 to 2 networks, and those 2 networks will have the same time zone. So what I will do is I will just go into Zeropark. So here I'm on the Zeropark platform, and what you will then want to do is you want to select my account. So my account. So once you've selected my account, take you over to this page. And then on this page, all I need to do is change this. So right now it's Central America, and that's the current default time zone. So I'll need to get that updated, obviously. So I'll then need to go here and just make sure that it's synced up with my time zone, which is Central European time zone, as I am in Amsterdam. Okay. Yeah, that's it here. So this is the time zone that I need to sync up with. So I just select that, and then I will then press the save option. So it's that straightforward, very, very simple. If you didn't know how to do that before, now you do. If you like this video, make sure you click that like button below. If you're not signed up to Zeropark, make sure you also click one of the links below this video in the description to sign up to Zeropark. It's a great traffic network, and it's just very important that you have all of your data synced up, because as an affiliate marketer, we rely so much on our data, and if we have discrepancies in that data, especially if you're running at a good level of volume, let's say you're doing at least 4 figures a day, you need to make sure your data is synced up. Otherwise, you'll see some big chunks of discrepancy in your your affiliate traffic, your tracker. Apologies, I've muddled up all my words. You will see some big changes in your tracker.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.